it. We want you to be inspired, and we're going to have a conversation, I think a pretty interesting conversation, about what they're calling the Industrial Revolution.
The main reason we wanted to have this discussion, though, is to actually open it up to the industry. We know that there's other people that have used it. There's some actually very expensive machinery in Asia and in Europe, but it's behind the scenes. The product that we have is very entry-level. It's for us to get used to 3D, but we think that there's a big opportunity going forward.
For those that don't know, 3D printing has been around actually since 1988. The founder of Stratasys, Scott Crump, invented the technology that you see behind us here back in 1998 in his kitchen with his wife. It works similar to what a weed whacker does. It feeds a filament, a plastic filament, through a head that gets heated almost to the point of becoming a liquid, and that head moves around in the design of whatever product you're designing.
The technology is just hitting its stride. It's at the entry level, but anyone can get into it. The price point to get an entry-level machine like this is under $1,000, anywhere up to $3,000 or $4,000. Having that ability to get the equipment at such a low price point makes it something that's kind of active. You're going to be designing anything these days. The ability to be able to prototype and rapidly make variants is something that's going to be very important moving forward.
And really what you're buying when you move up the food chain is more capabilities, meaning more different materials to print, different sizes. Again, the automotive industry, we have a printer that prints a 40-inch by 30-inch by 20-inch part to simulate a dashboard.
Well, currently the way we're looking at it is more to reduce the design phase. So for us, typically design starts with an idea, a 2D drawing, a 3D drawing, CAD, handmade prototypes. Handmade prototype is made not in the United States, so that takes a while because we don't have control of the process, and then gets sent to us. Along the way, if there's any mistakes, it's going to be weeks or months before we can react. So we can shut the design phase and prototyping phase to literally a day, which used to take 8 weeks, which could never happen before.
The heritage of 3D printing resides in the prototyping world. We're product designers, we're trying to design new products. But it's changing overnight. It's really going to revolutionize manufacturing in the United States.
To be honest, I've only been in here a couple of years, but if you look at the trajectory of 3D printing, the price point, the ability to get into it, there's no question it'll disrupt it at some level. Being able to adopt the technology now will allow anyone forward-thinking enough to realize it's going to happen, to get into it. But there's no reason in 4 or 5 years you can't see putting up a machine in an optical shop and the optician printing out a pair of glasses. It's not quite there yet, but you see the models we're printing, some of the models on the hiring machine we have samples of, they're not quite there, but there's no reason it wouldn't happen.
We thought that would be a great place just to start the conversation. And we intend to continue the conversation in other events like this, as well as on our website and in general.
Frank, if I can interrupt just for one thing. Sure. I do want to commend David and ClearVision, because it's unusual for a company like theirs to show everybody in their partners or competitors in the industry what they're doing to innovate. So I commend you guys for actually hosting this event and showing folks how you guys are advancing your product.
Well, again, they've always been an innovative company, and this is a good example of that innovation.